आईसा कप 2024 लॉयर्स का क्रिकेट का महाकुंभ। आपने लॉयर्स को हमेशा कोर्टरूम में कानूनी लड़ाई लड़ते हुए देखा होगा, लेकिन अब देश भर के लॉयर्स आपस में लड़ाई लड़ेंगे, मगर इस बार मुकाबला कोर्टरूम में नहीं बल्कि क्रिकेट के मैदान पर होगा। जी हां, हम बात कर रहे हैं 6th ऑल इंडिया हाई कोर्ट लॉयर्स T20 क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट की, जिसे नाम दिया गया है आईसा कप 2024। आज इस टूर्नामेंट का शानदार उद्घाटन हो गया। आपको बता दें कि ये T20 क्रिकेट लीग 25 दिसंबर से 28 दिसंबर तक कोलकाता और बारासात के स्टेडियम में खेला जाएगा। इस टूर्नामेंट में इलाहाबाद, आंध्र प्रदेश, एपेक्स 11, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, TLW नोएडा यूपी, हिमाचल प्रदेश, लखनऊ सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऐसे और तेलंगाना के लॉयर्स अपनी क्रिकेटिंग स्किल दिखाने के लिए मैदान में उतरेंगे।
অ্যাকচুয়ালি এটা অল ইন্ডিয়া যে টুর্নামেন্টটা হয় প্রত্যেক বছর কোনো না কোনো টিম হোস্ট করে। দিস ইয়ার ফর ক্যালকাটা অ্যান্ড উই আর হোস্টিং দিস টুর্নামেন্ট, everyone coming from the other states, from the other high courts, and we are arranging all this so they can enjoy, they can play, because all the advocates who are playing, the advocates are playing, so you know whatever the total 10 including Calcutta 10 teams. नहीं, इसमें क्या ना, every field, every situation, whatever they are handled in the court in case of cases, and they are enjoying in the field. Basically this is for the enjoyment and physical development of the players who are the advocates basically. Now
This event is particularly, we are the part of this journey from last 6 years. Every year we have enjoyed this tournament in other states. Fortunately, we got this opportunity to hold this tournament this time here in Calcutta. So this is one of the prestigious moment for every advocate and our association, CHC, Advocates Sports Association, which we have formed. And now we are hosting this tournament here in Calcutta. And the main thing is that this is not only the cricket tournament. The advocates are here who's going to just play on the field. And we know that advocates knows how to just battle on the field or off the field. And we want to just give the message to the everyone, despite of this all battle, ultimately we have to join the hand together. So this is the beauty of this tournament, and this is the beauty of our advocate fraternity. We fight in court, we just argue with each other. Definitely we are very much excited. You can just see our faces. Now we are just after very hard work of 1 or 2 months which we spend with our professions. It's not so easy to organize such a huge tournament. And I'm very thankful to our chief patron, Mr. Milan Mukherjee, senior advocate. Without him, this tournament, we cannot think about that. The another person, Mr. Sandeep Chakravarti, was the one player who just given his full-time contribution and everything. And Mr. Tarun Chatterjee was the legal convener of the legal cell of here in state. And he also contributed us. He also given us a time. A part of all these peoples, now our core committee members who invested there, Mr. Raja Adhikari, Mr. Ajit Chaube, just partner of Chaube and Company, Rabiuddin Sahab, Mr. Rahul Kinkar Pandey, partner of the Padar Solicitors and Company, Mr. Minal Das, the advocates who are just going to play, as well as they are just involved in our association, and they are doing very hard work to make this tournament a success. Thank you, sir.
See, basically this is a parallel life. I think for advocates, most of you may not have thought that advocates would come and play on the cricket field or a football field. It's not general, of course. But again, back to the history, if you see that advocates has contributed participated huge amount of time in the field of sports as a matter of recreation and as a matter of lifestyle. Sports has been a lifestyle of the advocates from very long time. You see, if you have heard of Calcutta High Court, and you must have heard of Calcutta High Court Club as well. Yes. And most importantly, Calcutta High Court Club is also 100 years old. It is as old as the High Court itself. So the recreation part as well as the lifestyle with sports was always attached to the advocates. It was not known that way because we play not with we generally do not play with outside professional teams. We play among ourselves. We play with the judges, advocates together, and we form teams. Generally, every year we have annual tournaments intra-bar, and we have this is one such opportunity that we are hosting All India tournament, and you can understand that in the length and extent of the participation. People from far off across the country have to come down to Calcutta to participate, and it is not going to be a very easy subject. And of course, the help and assistance of our senior advocate, Mr. Milan Mukherjee, cannot be forgotten. Mr. Sandeep Chakraborty, and of course, the team who has performed as a core. So basically, I thank each and everybody out of this. And once you run through this tournament, entire tournament, we would understand the extent of the success that we have achieved so far.
As a senior advocate, what message would you like to give to your juniors?
See, basically, all my junior advocates are now actively participating in this tournament as a player or coming as an assistant to the core committee who is organizing this tournament. And I believe that way back going forward, they will definitely contribute in the same way as they could see it today. Well, the message for the players is that it is not only advocacy that can refresh your mind. The sports has to come in the way, and it would actually stand as a breather to all kind of the profession that we handle. It requires a breather, and sports has contributed immensely as a breather to this profession. Sorry. Yes, we are expecting guests in the finals, and I cannot confirm the name. Saurav Ganguly has we are expecting him, but we are not sure about it. In case if he turns up, we are having our closing ceremony just before the final match on the 28th. We have some sitting judges coming along, and today also we expected some of the sitting judges to come, but unfortunately they could not attend this because of their preoccupations. And expectedly the 28th closing ceremony would go much more grand than this inaugural ceremony.
9 high courts and the Supreme Court. So we want more advocates from different states to come over for events like this, which creates the fraternity and a brotherhood which grows strong through these tournaments. So it's not just lawyers who are in court and all the time being professional, but also playing these type of T20 tournaments or any kind of sporting events, which builds the network and bond between the other advocates across India. This is the first time that our association, that is the Calcutta High Court's Advocate Sports Association, is hosting this tournament in Kolkata. This is the 6th edition of the All India Advocate Sports Tournament, T20 cricket tournament. And we are also affiliated with the national body, which is the Indian Advocate Sports Association, and we plan to grow big every year. Play hard, play fair. As you do in court, play hard, play fair, and that's how we will all prosper. There are 3 grounds, 2 grounds in Salt Lake and 1 ground in Barashat that we have been permitted by the CAB to host the tournament, and the league matches will be held from 25th to 28th, and the finals for the cup and the plate will be held on 29th. So I invite everyone who is listening to this to come and follow advocates playing cricket, and very hard and competitive cricket. On each of the days, we are playing at Jadavpur second campus, Videocon, Deshbandhu Oval and Aditya Academy Barashat on all of these days.
नहीं ये जैसा क्रिकेट में होता है ना, ये एवरी इनिंग्स होता है, लेकिन जब यू इन योर 40s, ये हम लोग सेकंड इनिंग्स होता है. इट इज नॉट द एंड ऑफ द गेम फॉर अस, इट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, एंड द रोल दैट यू प्ले इन योर सेकंड इनिंग्स इन योर 40s is very powerful, because you know that you're not going to come back to bat. This is your last time. Finally, when you go into the pavilion, your game is over. So this experience that comes is a very powerful thing. And this group of people, I wanted to say that, young people, go talk to the older people. Do not think that, they are the past state. They have experience, they have power, and they have played a longer game than you. And that is a very important thing. And, there's a fair play, award for my brother. My brother always played a fair game, loved cricket. And I came here also because the award is in his name. And he always thought that, cricket is the most noble of all games. I think the game of law is harder because not everybody is playing fair. But I think that in cricket, when you put on the jersey, you go on the field, there is something that happens to you. I know I used to play cricket a lot. That, you don't think you want to cheat. There is a solidarity, there's teamwork, which it doesn't happen in law because you are one advocate against another and there's a judge. So I think honestly that, I think that law is very difficult, but cricket is a beautiful game.